What do you have there? What is it? Is that an envelope?
Yeah.
You gonna try and tear it open with your bare hands?
Yeah.
You want Mommy to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Oh. Want to help Mommy? Can you hold it? Or you got it? What do you see? Ah! What's that?
It's a dinosaur.
What else? Ah! It's another dinosaur? What's that? Ah! Is that a little people hedgehog?
Yeah. I like pet hedgehog.
What's that?
I like that.
You like bats?
Yeah.
What's that? Wow. That's crazy looking. That looks like one of the monsters from Avatar. What's that? Is that a moose?
Yeah.
Ooh, what's that? Is that a pterodactyl?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that really cool?
Yeah.
What do you say? Do you say thank you, Grandpa and Roro?
An Aflac.
Thank you, Grandpa and Roro.
They know Grandpa was Aflac.